You want to find the equation of a circle whose center is given as -2, -3, and whose that has a point on the circle itself of 4, 3. What we can do here is a couple different things. We can begin the equation of our circle just based on the center. We know that the equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And so here we know that the h value is -2, x minus a -2 squared. The y value is -3. We can plug that in. The y value of the coordinate is k, so we can plug that into k. What we don't know is the radius. But if we simplify this solution, subtracting is equivalent to adding the opposite, so we can switch the signs. Okay, so we can solve this problem either visually or just by using this equation. If you want to just use the equation, what we can now do to find what the radius would be is to just plug in our points x and y here. So x and y, if you plug in 4 plus 2, and you plug in 3 for y, we can solve this equation for r squared. That gives us 6 squared plus 6 squared is equal to r squared. Okay, and so this is going to give us an r squared value of 72. Okay, and so what we can now do is come right back up to this form right here and substitute in 72 for r squared, and that's going to give, right here, and that's going to give us our overall equation, x plus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared is equal to 72. You don't even need to specifically go through and solve for the radius. You can just plug it in this way. Now, the other possibility for this would be to solve it visually, where you would sketch your center. You would sketch the point that falls on the circle. And then you would find this distance, and that would be your radius. Well, finding that distance really winds up, what you'll see is you'll use this equation right here to find the distance. And so you might as well just plug it directly in. It's just a quicker, more efficient way to approach it.